Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Alison transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated and ventilated seats, tow mirrors, adaptive cruise control, Goodyear all-terrain tires, spread bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this night shift blue and black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and wood and chrome accents. These chrome running boards here, and these heated and ventilated blue leather seats. That high country stitch, super nice. Left side you'll have your ventilation, drive mode selector, and lighting control on the left. And left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and a heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now for the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, DEF fluid, all that fun stuff, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and settings to customize the odometer. It's going to be push to start, classic collared truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your parallel mirror cams and the bed view. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa included. Down below, you're going to have your exhaust brake with your lane departure warning and hill descent control. And below, you're going to have your integrated brake controller next to your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports, a center console with lots of extra storage, high country badging, with a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall port. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable. Heated, ventilated with that high country stitch. Wood and chrome all the way across the dash there. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna these 20-inch chrome wheels on Goodyear Trail Runner all-terrain tires. You're gonna have that black high country badging, the Duramax badging, these big chrome towing mirrors, chrome keyless entry door handles, side steps in the back. You got the paint match corner step bumper, the trailer hitch and fifth wheel just under, and the Rancho shocks. Blackout badging here. With the multi-flex tailgate, you got the grab handle, as well as 2 LED lamps and an AC wall port, with around 12 bed tie downs at your hitch points. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, and more paneling storage next to speakers. Power window with the wood and chrome again. Up at the back, lots of extra legroom. Storage behind the passenger or driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, rear heated seating, and USB ports. Got the cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD High Country, equipped with a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as heated and ventilated seats, drive mode selector, adaptive cruise control, Goodyear all-terrain tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.